Get out your art supplies. We're going to be drawing Santa Claus using the number 3. And here's what he'll look like when it's done. And we hope to have a special guest later on. Welcome to Art Expedition. We're glad you're here. North Pole. North Pole, do you hear me? I'm sorry, we've been having technical difficulties all day, but we hope to have our special guest later on. In the meantime, let's draw Santa. So, are you ready? Pencils, pens, markers, or crayons up? Let's begin. We'll begin by putting in our number 3, and for that we'll turn our paper sideways. We'll put our number 3 right about here on the page and make it a slightly skinny 3. Like that. Now we'll turn our paper back. This part of the 3 will be Santa's nose, and this part his left cheek. From there we'll build his mustache. I'll give the nose a little more definition, and then add his right cheek, matching that cheek right there. We'll put a dot a little below the nose to guide us as we make his mustache. Now we'll add 2 curved jagged lines going up from the dot to each cheek. Next we'll draw Santa's eyes just above the sides of his nose. And I'm going to use ovals to make his eyes. You could use other shapes like dots or circles, whatever you like. Then I'm going to fill in his eyes, leaving some white in each upper left corner to make them appear to shine. Like that. Next we'll draw the sides of Santa's face simply by putting 2 curved lines just above his cheeks. To make the outside of Santa's ears, we'll draw a C shape and a reverse C shape. And we'll draw a tiny S shape and reverse S shape to make the inside of his ears. Anything yet? Let's keep drawing. Next, let's draw Santa's beard. We'll put a dot below the nose and mustache to guide our drawing. We'll draw some curved, jagged lines from each ear to our dot. And now for the other side. Like that. Next, we'll add Santa's eyebrows. We'll start by drawing a curved line just above each eye. To complete the eyebrows, we'll draw 2 more lines just above the others that connect, making them look like half moons. We'll make Santa's mouth by simply making a V shape and then filling it in. We'll draw a small line that curves around the mouth to make his lower lip, like that. Santa needs a Santa hat, so we'll use a bunch of curved lines to make the fluffy brim. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll do more on the top and bottom. 1, 2, 3. And on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the next part of his hat, we'll draw a line that curves down beyond the brim and ends to the left of his ear. We'll draw another line that starts at the bottom corner of that brim. It almost touches our previous line. We'll finish our hat by using curved lines to make the fluffy ball at the end. And there's Santa's hat. We'll make slightly curved lines going out diagonally from either side of his beard to make his shoulders. And finally, we'll add 2 squiggly lines to finish his coat. And there you have it. And so, with the number 3, we've been able to draw Santa Claus. How'd you do? You can also color your Santa Claus if you like. Here's my version.
And this is my version.
Thanks for joining us. We hope you've had fun. For Art Expedition, I'm Kevin Van Norman.
Merry Christmas to all.
What will you create?